Imagine this. You've had a long day and you're hoping to reconnect with your partner tonight, but your energy and mood say otherwise. You're not alone. According to a study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, nearly 40% of women experience reduced libido at some point in their lives. But here's the good news. What you eat could be a game changer. Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover 10 instant arousal-boosting foods for women that not only fire up your passion, but also enhance your overall vitality. Whether you're looking to spark romance or simply feel more confident in your skin, this list has you covered. And here's the best part. Stick around till the end, because I've got an incredible bonus tip. A secret spice you probably already have in your kitchen that works wonders for female arousal. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more life-enhancing tips that keep you feeling your best every day. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate isn't just a sweet treat, it's a proven aphrodisiac. It contains phenylethylamine, a compound that triggers the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones. According to a study in Appetite, women who consume dark chocolate report higher levels of sexual satisfaction. How to enjoy? Opt for 70% cocoa or higher for maximum benefits. A square or two is all you need. Side effect: consuming too much can lead to sugar spikes and weight gains. 2. Avocados. Packed with vitamin B6 and folic acid, avocados boost energy and support hormone regulation. Ancient Aztecs even called the avocado tree the testicle tree for its suggestive appearance and libido-enhancing properties. Fun tip: you can use avocado as a creamy base for your salads or smoothies. Number 3. Watermelon. Known as nature's Viagra, watermelon is rich in citrulline, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. A study from Texas A&M University confirmed its role in enhancing arousal. Number 4. Ginger. A natural blood flow booster, ginger has been used for centuries to increase sensitivity. Research from the International Journal of Cardiology shows ginger improves circulation, which is essential for arousal. You can brew a ginger tea or add fresh ginger to meals for a spicy kick, but remember that overconsumption can cause heartburn. 5. Bananas. Rich in potassium and bromelain, bananas promote testosterone production, which can boost libido. Quick snack: blend into a smoothie with almond milk for a double arousal boost. Number 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants that improve blood flow and reduce stress, making it easier to get in the mood. In a study published in Nutrition Journal, regular consumption was linked to improved sexual performance. The seeds make a beautiful topping for salads or desserts. 7. Chili peppers. Feeling adventurous? Capsaicin, the active compound in chili peppers, releases endorphins and heats things up, literally. Caution: if you're sensitive to spice, start small to avoid discomfort. 8. Honey. Often called liquid gold, honey is rich in boron, which helps regulate hormones and increase energy levels. Drizzle over yogurt or tea for a sweet libido lift. Number 9. Oysters. Oysters have a reputation for being a top-tier aphrodisiac due to their high zinc content, which boosts estrogen and dopamine levels. 10. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, nuts improve blood flow and keep your energy levels high. Snack tip: grab a handful for an easy, healthy libido boost. Here's the moment you've been waiting for: cinnamon. This common spice not only adds warmth to your dishes, but also increases sensitivity and blood flow. Try adding it to your morning coffee or evening tea to set the mood. And here's a challenge for you. For the next week, incorporate at least 3 of these foods into your meals and notice the difference in your mood, energy, and overall connection with your body. So there you have it, 10 instant arousal-boosting foods that can transform your day and night. These foods aren't just about boosting intimacy, they support your overall health and well-being. Remember, moderation is key. And it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider if you have allergies or underlying conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could use these tips. And let us know in the comments, which of these foods are you excited to try first? Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video.